Hey everybody, this is Trent with All Things Automotive. Thank you for shopping. Thanks for clicking that play button. Today we're going to take a look at a 2020 Honda Civic in the LX trim and a beautiful graphite gray exterior. This vehicle is equipped with a 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, is front-wheel drive, clean Carfax, one owner. Let's go ahead and take a look. Let's go ahead and start in the front here. Nice contour lines from Honda, nice sleek and sporty design here. So kudos to Honda. You have a couple different elements working with you here. You have your high gloss black, your chrome, high intensity headlights, and then your bottom grille here. So again, sporty and aggressive all the way around here. These tires are capped, but you will have like new tires all the way around here at All Things Automotive. So let's go ahead and take a look at the interior. Straightforward, clean interior here, guys. You do have a two-tone theme going here, gray and black. In the middle, you have brushed aluminum. You do have some chrome accents. That's going to continue throughout the entire interior of the vehicle. Nice, sporty, bolstered seats here. Premium cloth, very comfortable. Looking into the rear of the vehicle, you will notice you do have ample leg, hip, and shoulder room, so plenty of space back here for rear passengers. Coming to the back of this vehicle, you will notice the nice stamped moldings here, so again, goes along very cohesive with the sport theme here. Let's go ahead and take a look at the trunk. I would imagine, yes, there is ample trunk space here. Seats do fold flat, as you can see, for extra cargo space. It does look like this seat is all in one piece, so it's not split up, so that will all fold down. So if you do need to put extra cargo in there, you can do so. You'll notice here just over 41,000 miles. Nice graphics here on the center clusters. You do have some hand-mounted controls on your steering wheel as far as lane keep assist, adaptive cruise control, and a lot of different options for your media. You can be connected to Bluetooth, hands-free. Over here, I want to go over some of these safety features. You do have forward collision avoidance. You have, again, your lane departure assist right there. So packed with a lot of safety features here, guys, in this Honda Civic. Nice infotainment center. Not overly done, but just enough. Very practical. There's your backup camera. The rest is pretty straightforward. You have radio, and you can select your media. Bluetooth is as far as media is concerned. Okay, let's take a look at the shifter here. Nice leather wrap shifter. Now you do have your auto brake hold, so that way if you're on a hill and you don't want to have your foot on the brake, that will help you out to do so. Electronic parking brake, and you do have an econ mode, which will shut down some of the cylinders and make for a more fuel efficient drive. Okay, let's take a look at the center console here. Kind of unique. You do have a nice fabric, a nice comfortable black fabric mesh here. Okay, and then you do have a nice deep center console there for storage. Again, a couple different elements, nice design here on the front of the dash with leather, and then your trim pieces here are all black. So a nice clean interior here. Let's go ahead and take a look under the hood. Under the hood, you will find a beautiful 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, no evidence of exhaust or oil leaks or anything like that. Our crew does an amazing job of making these ready for the next buyer. So that is your under the hood section. Portion of the video. Thanks for sticking in there with me, guys. If you watch this long, you might just be a buyer, and this portion is for you. This is where I go over any dings, dents, or imperfections this car may or may not have. Although it is a 2020, they are pre-owned vehicles. None are perfect. We would like to make them as clean as possible here at All Things Automotive. Starting in the front, you will see some wear and tear from the road here. Okay, the high gloss black is in very good shape here, all the way down to the bottom bumper fascia. You are going to have some imperfections there. All the way to the wheel and tire setup. No curb rash on the wheel, I don't see. They are capped wheels, but that's okay. We'll get to the exact tread depth of the tires here. And I did want to mention, okay, we do a used car mechanical check on all of the vehicles here at All Things Automotive. So we like to make sure we put money into the wearable, so you don't have to shortly after purchasing the vehicle. So everything is green, good to go. Tires are 5/32. Okay, still a lot of life left in those tires. Let's go ahead and keep walking around the vehicle, guys. A bit of a discoloration here on the trim pieces on the outside of the door. Okay, other than that, I don't see any. Some of this might be dirt. I believe that's a piece of dirt right there. I do apologize for that. In the back of the trunk here, maybe a little blemish here, and just a couple throughout. here. The roof looks good, guys. Other than that, car is in great shape here. Nice clean interior, no rips, stains, tears, or odors. If you have any questions, give us a call here at All Things Automotive. You can reach us at 717-485-4224. Hit option 1 for sales, or go to allthingsautomotive.com. Shop online 24/7. Yes, you can get yourself pre-approved. It takes 5 minutes. Yes, we do take trades, and make sure you ask your sales consultant about extended coverage, because this vehicle does qualify. So come on out to 21518 Great Cove Road, McConnellsburg, Pennsylvania. Again, my name's Trent. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.